Before going to the second problem, we should aware of some synopsis. I am going to explain that synopsis and try to note it. So note some points. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Product of two numbers equal to LCM into HCF. Okay. So here we are taking only for two numbers. Let it be A comma B. So it is not possible for three numbers. It is not possible for three numbers. So this statement is not possible for three numbers. That is A comma B comma C. So product of A comma B comma C is not equal to LCM of A comma B comma C into HCF of A comma B comma C. So this is not possible for three numbers. So whenever we took HCF and LCM, we are doing only for positive integers, not for negative integers. We are already aware of the HCF and LCM. Okay. So it is not possible for three numbers, and HCF and LCM is possible only for positive integers. This is point number 1, point number 2 and point number 3. For every positive integer, HCF of A comma B is a factor of LCM of A comma B. So why I am explaining this synopsis here is second problem is related to this synopsis. So I am explaining just before the problem to understand very clearly. Okay. Now let's solve the second problem. Okay. Now we understood the synopsis. Now we are going to solve the second problem. So first read the question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So first what we need to find? The LCM and HCF of the pair of numbers. So we need to find the LCM and HCF of both these numbers. Then we should verify this statement, and we should verify that statement. So let's solve this number as product of prime factors. So 13 to the 26. So both 13 and 22 are prime numbers. So 36 is equal to 13 power 1 into 2 power 1. So let's solve for 91. So 13 sevens are 91 and 7 ones are 7. So both 13 and 7 are also prime numbers. So for 91, what are the prime factors? 13 power 1 into 7 power 1. So for HCF, what we should take? Only the common factors. Means factor means that is divisible. So divisible value ఎప్పుడైనా ఎలా ఉంటుంది? తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. So only common గా ఉన్నది మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. So that is 13. Now we are taking LCM for these two. So what is LCM for these two? LCM means least common multiple. Multiple means it is always greater than the factor. So we should take which is the highest thing, that one we should take. Don't get confused, children. Multiple, we should observe only this one. Multiple means greatest thing. So we should take greater. So factor అంటే divisible కాబట్టి ఎప్పుడు కూడా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది value. So we are taking only the common, that is the least. Okay. So 13 into 13 power 1 into 2 powers లో ఏమున్నాయి? 2 power 1. 7 powers లో 7 power 1. సో ఏ పవర్స్ లో ఏ పవర్ అయితే ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ కి ఏ పవర్ అయితే గ్రేటర్ ఉంటుందో అవన్నీ తీసుకుంటాం. నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు వెరిఫై ద స్టేట్మెంట్. సో it's LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So what is the LCM value we got? This. And HCF value is 13. So LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So what is the LCM? 13. HCF 13 into 2 into 7. So what is the product of two numbers? 26 into 91. 13 into 13, 169. 2 into 7, 14. So here also 26 into 19. So multiply both. So after multiplying we got 2366. Here also we got 2366. So here the statement is correct. Hence verified. Understood? So second bit in the second problem, that is 510 and 92. So let's solve for 510. So it ends with 5. So let's take 5 tables. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So 2 tables. So 5s are 10 and 2 ones are 2. So 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, but it is given as 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So I am writing 2 here. So 3 sevens are 21. 17 ones are 17. Okay. Now what are the factors for this 5 term we need to write? Okay, 92. Let's solve for 92. So 2 fours are 8. So what is left here? 9 minus 8 is 1. So 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. And 2 3s are 6. 23 ones are 23. Okay. Now I am writing the numbers as prime factors. 510, that is equal to how many 5s are there? Only 1 5. So 5 power 1 into 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 17 power 1. Okay. Next 92. That is 2 power 2 into 20. Okay. So what is given? We need to find the LCM and HCF. Then only we are going to solve the verify the statement. So what is HCF? Common term. So what is common in this both? Only 2 power 1 is common. So 2 power 1 is the HCF. Now what is LCM? 5. So 5 in 5, what is the highest power? 5 power 1 into highest power into 2 power 2. సో ఇక్కడ 5 లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం 5 పవర్ 0 అనేది వేసుకుంటున్నాం. ఇక్కడ 23 లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 23 పవర్ 0 అనేది వేసుకుంటున్నాం. 17 లేదు కాబట్టి 17 పవర్ 0 అనేది వేసుకుంటున్నాం. సో 5 పవర్ 1 2 స్క్వేర్ అండ్ 3 లో హైయెస్ట్ ఉంది 3 పవర్ 1 అండ్ 17 లో హైయెస్ట్ 17 పవర్ 1 23 లో హైయెస్ట్ 23 పవర్ 1. ఏదైనా టర్మ్ ఇంకొక నెంబర్ లో లేకపోతే ఆ పవర్ ని మనం జీరోగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే నా So we have got the HCF and LCM. Now HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Yes. So what is the value of 500 and what is the value of HCF here? 2 and LCM 5 into 2 square into 3 power 1 into 17 power 1 into 23 power 1. Is equal to what is the product of two factors? So 510 into 92. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers and verify the statement LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So first what we need to find LCM and HCF, then we need to verify this statement. So first take this number 336. So write down the prime factorization for this. 2 ones are 2. So what is left here? But here it is 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So I am writing 1 in smaller notation. So it will become 13. 2 6 are 12. So what is left here? 1. 2 8s are 16. Next. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 21 is not possible in 2 tables. So write in 3 tables. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So now 54. 2 2s 4. 1 remaining. 2 7s are 14. Next. 27 is not possible in 2 tables. So go for 3 tables. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now write down the prime factorization for this. So 336. For 336, what is the prime factorization? How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 power 4 into, how many 3's? Only 1 3. 3 power 1 into, how many 7's? Only 1 7. 7 power 1. So take 54. How many 2's are there? Only 1 2. 2 power 1. How many 3's? 3 power 3. Okay, now we are going to write the HCF. Before going to write the HCF, we should observe the powers. So 2 power 1, 2 power 4, 3 power 3, 3 power 1. So here 7 power is not there. So let's write it as 7 power 0. So HCF means factor. Factor should always come the least. సో ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు డివిజిబుల్ కాబట్టి తక్కువ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ 2 పవర్ 1 ఉంది, 2 పవర్ 4 ఉంది. ఏది తీసుకోవాలి? 2 పవర్ 1. హియర్ 3 పవర్ 1. సో 7 పవర్ 0, 7 పవర్ 1. సో టేక్ ఇట్ as 7 పవర్ 0. 7 పవర్ 0 is nothing but 1. So the HCF value is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. So LCM. What do you mean by LCM? Multiple. Multiple అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది. సో మల్టిపుల్ గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి గ్రేటర్ పవర్ తీసుకోవాలి. 2 పవర్ 1, 2 పవర్ 4 which is greater? 2 పవర్ 4. And 3 పవర్ 1, 3 పవర్ 3 which is greater? 3 పవర్ 3. 7 power 1, 7 power 0 which is greater? 7 power 1. So these are the LCM and HCF values. Now we need to verify this statement. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so what is LCM? 2 power 4 into 3 power 3 into 7 power 1. What is HCF? So HCF is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. So what are the two numbers? 336 into 54. So let's multiply these numbers. After multiplying these numbers, we got here it as 18144. After completely multiplying these numbers, I got the product as 18144 and here also same. So we can say that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So the statement is verified.